students, I am Poonam here again today with our session 2. Today we will be learning simplification using different properties. I'll give you few examples and based on these examples you are going to solve today's assignment. Now our example number 1. Our question is 10 upon 9 plus 3 upon 5 plus 11 upon 4 minus 1 upon 9 minus 3 upon 4 plus 2 upon 5. Now looking to this example, which property comes in your mind? Here we will be using associative property. Now what is associative property? In this property, the answer does not change whether we change the position of a number. So here we will be taking the numbers having same denominators together. So 10 upon 9 minus 1 upon 9, we will be taking this in one group. Then plus 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 in another group, and plus 11 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4 in another group. Now we will be simplifying these numbers. So with same denominators we can perform addition or subtraction. So 10 minus 1, this is 9 upon 9. Here 3 plus 2, so this is 5 upon 5. And here 11 minus 3, that is 8 upon 4. Now 9 upon 9 we write it as 1 plus 5 upon 5, again we write it as 1, but 8 upon 4, that is 2. 4 ones are and 4 twos are. So here our answer is 4. And again here we are going to mention our property also. This is by associative property. So this was our example number 1. Now number 2, we will be seeing the example with multiplication. So that is 17 upon 50 multiplied by 12 upon 26 multiplied by 25 upon 34 multiplied by 13 upon 24. Now looking to this numbers, again here we will be using associative property. We will be changing the position of numbers. How we will change the position of numbers? See, 17 upon 50. Is there any number having the multiples of 17? Yes, here. Here 17 twos are 34. So we will be taking these two numbers together and these two together. So 17 upon 50 multiplied by 25 upon 34 in one bracket, and 12 upon 26 multiplied by 13 upon 24 in another bracket. Here we can do cutting of the numbers. This is 17 ones are, 17 twos are. Here 25 ones are, 25 twos are. This one 12 ones are, 12 twos are. 13 ones are and 13 twos are. So in this bracket our answer will be 1 upon 4, 2 twos are 4, and here also 1 upon 4. So our final answer will be 1 upon 16. Is that clear? Now coming to our next property with a next sum. Our next example is 7 upon 5 multiplied by minus 3 by 12 plus 7 upon 5 multiplied by 5 by 12. Now looking to such questions where multiplication and addition or multiplication and subtraction sign is together, only one property comes in use, that is distributive property. So here we will be using distributive property. As there is an addition sign in between, we will be writing it for addition. Now in distributive property, what we have to do is we have to take a common rational number between the two brackets. Now in this two bracket, which rational number is common? 7 upon 5. So we will be taking 7 upon 5 in common. So in first bracket what is left is minus 3 upon 12. And in second bracket what is left is 5 upon 12. And in between this sign we have to keep. If it is plus, then we have to put plus. If minus, then we have to put minus. Now we will be solving this bracket first. Denominators are same, so we can do the addition. So minus 3 plus 5. So minus 3 plus 5 is 2. 2 upon 12. Here we can do cutting also. This is 2 ones are and 2 six are. So our final answer is 7 upon 30. Fine. Now our next example. Two upon 5 multiplied by minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 14 minus 3 upon 7 multiplied by 3 upon 5. Here we can see that there is a multiplication and a subtraction sign both over here. So again here we will be using distributive property, but that will be over subtraction. So we will be taking this in three groups. One is this group, one is this, and one is this. So this is 2 upon 5 multiplied by minus 3 by 7 in one bracket. Plus minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5 in another bracket, and minus 1 upon 14 we will be taking it alone. Here from these two groups minus 3 upon 7 is common. So that will be taking out. Now what is left over here is 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. And this minus 1 upon 14 we will be taking as it is. Now here minus 3 upon 7 multiplied by, if we take this, it will be 5 upon 5. 2 plus 3, 5. And again upon 5, that is, we will be taking it as 1. And here 1 upon 14 we will be taking as it is. So here what we get is minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 14. Now what we have to do is we have to take an LCM. So what will be the LCM of 7 and 14? LCM will be 14 because the denominators are different. So we need to take an LCM. So what we will be doing here is minus 3 upon 7 multiplied by 2 by 2. Here minus 1 upon 14 as it is. So this will be minus 6 upon 14 minus 1 upon 14. So that is minus 7 upon 14. So 7 ones are, 7 twos are, and our final answer is minus 1 upon 2. This is how we are going to solve simplification sums, where we will be using one or more than one properties. Okay students, hope you got it, how we are going to solve this simplification sums. Now I am going to give you assignment of 20 sums, which you all are going to do using this properties and this method which I have shown in examples.